Alright, here's the puppies. Day 31. Playing rough. Hey guys, be nice. Be nice. Good puppies. Good puppies. No, don't come crawling over here. Look at your babies. Go. Where y'all going? Where y'all going? There's Mr. Zeus. Wait a minute. Hey, Zeus. Hey, puppy. Excuse you. Bless you. There's Miss Kissy. Say hi, Kissy. There's Mr. Alfonso. Oh, chunky butt. There is Miss Kira. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. Hi, Kira. There's Pink Girl. Run, 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 run. Run. Where y'all going? Run, 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 run. Come here. Puppies. Here's your puppies. There's Kissy. Don't chew on my foot, please. No chewing. No chewing. No, stop chewing my ankle. We got ankle chewers already. Play nice. Thank you. No chewing. Hey, hey. Play nice. No. Play nice. Thank you. Alright, Alfonso. You like my ankles way too much. Way too much. There's Mr. Chaos. Looking for you. Hey, big boy. There's Mr. Chaos. Hey, pretty boy. Who's growling? Look at your baby. Having fun. No, no. No chewing. Nope. No chewing on my ankles. Hey, Kissy. Hi, Zeus. Look at you. You're a good boy. There's the orange girl. Alright, maybe I need to get up at the top of the step, because you guys are killing my ankles. Puppies! Look at your puppies! Look at your puppies! Hi, Kissy! Look at you guys. Look at you guys. Hi. Hi. Hi, Kissy. Hi, Kissy. Oh, she's a good girl. Hi, Alfonso. He's a sweet boy. Oh, who's barking? That's Chaos. Chaos. Is that you? I can't see your collar. I can't see your collar. Look at y'all. Y'all are just too cute. Y'all are just too cute. Hi. Hi, puppies. What is it? It's night-night time. It's night-night. What y'all doing? They're ready to go to bed. They're ready to go to bed. I can't believe it. Look at them. They're ready to go to bed. All right. Say night-night, everybody. All right. Let's go to bed.